Whoa, this is a lot of stuff in this little box. So first of all, here is the main camera. Next up, this is the magnetic clip with the GPS sensor. This is the power adapter that goes into the cigarette lighter. This is the rear view camera. And same as the power adapter, they have long cables attached. So I don't think that the cable length will be an issue. And here's a third camera for taxi or Uber drivers. That's a camera that films inside the cabin. We have some mountain tools and hooks for the cables. And here is a complimentary micro SD card from AZDOME. It's a 32 GB card. This is a piece of spare adhesive for the main camera, and then we have the owner's manual. And finally, here's a film that goes between the windshield and the mounting plate. To remove the protection film is very satisfying. It's very easy to connect the main camera to the windshield mount. If you'd like to attach the cabin camera, you need to peel out a rubber piece, and then it's just simply plug and play. It is a bit tricky to insert the micro SD card because you have to push it in really deep, and it is similar difficult if you want to get it out. Same as the cabin camera, connecting the rear camera is also a simple plug and play.